In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Gmail account to Microsoft Outlook in just about 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and make your email management a bit smoother and more centralized. First, let's get started by opening your Outlook app. If you don't have it installed already, you can download it from the Microsoft website or your device's app store. Once you've opened Outlook, locate the section where you can add new accounts, usually found in the toolbar under File or Manage Accounts, depending on your Outlook version. This is where we'll begin integrating your Gmail account with Outlook. Now let's input your Gmail address. Enter your full Gmail email address in the space provided. It's important to ensure that this is accurate to avoid any connection issues later on. Once your email is inputted correctly, we can move on to the next step. Click on Continue to Advance. This will prompt Outlook to communicate with Gmail servers, facilitating the addition of your account to the Outlook app seamlessly. At this point, Outlook will usually open a browser window by default. Don't worry, this is perfectly normal and an integral part of the process, as it helps to authenticate and connect your Gmail account securely with Outlook. In the browser window, you'll see your Gmail address listed. Click on it to select it. This step is crucial as it confirms which email account you're planning to integrate with Outlook. After selecting your address, click Continue again to proceed forward. Here's an essential tip. You'll likely encounter an option to select all as part of the permissions required for Outlook to access your Gmail data. Make sure to select all necessary permissions to ensure a full-featured email experience, then go ahead and click Continue. You might see a pop-up now prompting you to open the link in your Outlook app. Be sure to click on this option as it completes the authorization process and allows Outlook to finalize the setup. Finally, you'll need to follow the on-screen prompts to complete the integration. These prompts help finalize your account settings and any custom configurations you might have. Just follow through as directed, and soon enough, your Gmail emails, contacts, and calendar events will start populating in Outlook. And that's it. You now have your Gmail account set up in Microsoft Outlook. This setup not only centralizes your emails, but can also improve productivity with Outlook's features at your disposal. If you encountered any issues during this process, make sure your internet connection is stable and double check your entered credentials. Thank you for following along. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. Happy emailing!